Hi everybody, it's Sam and I am here to record an unboxing video. Let me see if I can do this. There's a big box of books to unbox today, and I'm excited to share the titles with you, and they should be available for you to request from the catalog or check out soon. So here we go. Okay. Now I got the packaging out of the way. The first book I've pulled out is called Across the Bay. It's written and illustrated by Carlos Aponte, and it looks like it's a Puera Belpré honor book. So that one looks pretty colorful, which are definitely one of my favorite things about any book. Next, we've got Sandra Boynton, Your Nose, A Wild Little Love Song. This looks like it's a fairly new Sandra Boynton. 2020. All right. So that will be exciting to use sometime. Oh, Future of the Time Dragon. Who doesn't want more Dragon Masters? Okay, what else we've got here? Oh, Oddmere, the Changeling. That is on this year's Main Student Book Award list, so that's an exciting one to get out of the box. A book for escargot. Isn't that snail so cute? I love the little striped shirt. So cute. Let's see. Home in the Woods, written and illustrated by Eliza Wheeler. I believe this is on the next Chickadee list. A Chickadee list is a book award about picture books for kids at grades K through 3. And I'm pretty sure they do a lot with that at the primary school. So that I try to highlight them here from time to time, but that's where the voting mostly happens. And then the Main Student Book Award is one for kids in grades 4 through 8. And that one we do a lot more with here at the library. Ninta's, Nanita's Big World, and the true story of a deaf pygmy marmoset. That looks super cute. Also on the Main Student Book Award list. An updated version of the book Coral Reefs by Gail Gibbons. Did you know Gail Gibbons lives in Maine? I think that's pretty neat. Let's see, what else have I got in here? Oh, Dandelion's Dream. That looks cute. I can't wait to see what this one's all about. Let's see. Oh, I think this is a graphic novel called The Grizzly Mother. And I think it's about, it's a Native American story. Yeah, it's from the Gitxsan people of northwestern British Columbia. So that's pretty cool. Alright, what's next? Whose footprint is that? That one looks like a fun one. Try to guess what the footprint is. Sea Glass Summer. I think this is also a Chickadee list. Do any of you collect sea glass? I haven't gone to the beach in a while, so I don't really collect it much. Beware of the Crocodile. I do think this is a Chickadee as well. I don't have next year's titles memorized yet, but I believe that might be one of them. Okay. It's Ramadan, Curious George. It's a good one about Ramadan. The Ultimate Kids Baking Book. You guys are probably baking up a storm right now. That'll give you some new ideas. Okay. The Fisherman and the Whale. Just kind of landed. Cyril and Pat by Emily Gravett. I'm going to go with that also, I think, on the Chickadee list. do we have in here? Seems like I got more of my picture books today than I got my chapter books, so those must be coming later. Good night, veggies. I am not a fish. I think that one's a chickadee. The Crayon Man. I think that one's a chickadee too. All right, oops, looks like we've only got maybe 4 more. All right, so we've got Bilal Cook's Dal. I love dal. That's Indian form of lentils. The Fabled Life of Aesop by Ian Lender, with illustrated by Pamela Zagorensky, and I love her illustrations. And our last 2, we've got Summer Song by Kevin Hanks, illustrated by Laura Dronzek. Pause there. And I think this is another, they've done a series of these, fall, spring, so that's exciting. And then last but not least, we have The Donkey Egg by Janet Stevens. And this, I believe, is also on the chickadee list. So thank you for watching my unboxing video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.